Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Manta Network. Now the Manta Network just got a couple new central exchange listings on some very big central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on the Manta Network and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Manta Network is a multi-modular ecosystem for zero-knowledge applications. Now, this token has a total supply of 1 billion Manta tokens. Their official webpage is manta.network. They have a Twitter that I'm going to put on the screen right here at Manta Network on Twitter. They have a Discord you could join, and they have a full white paper on their webpage, docs.manta.network. Now, this token just got a couple of brand new central exchange listings. One of them is on Bitmart. So it was just announced recently that this token will be listed on Bitmart. And another one was Mexc Global. So this token will be listed starting tomorrow. It'll be listed exactly January 18th, 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Manta, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Manta Network is a multi-modular ecosystem for zero-knowledge applications, and they offer 2 networks. The Manta Pacific, which is a unique L2 ecosystem on Ethereum for EVM native ZK applications, which provides a scalable and inexpensive gas fee environment for ZK applications to deploy simply using Solidity. They also offer Manta Atlantic, the fastest ZK L1 chain on Polkadot. Brings programmable identities and credentials to Web3 through ZK SBTs. Together, Manta Pacific and Manta Atlantic deliver an unparalleled experience for the next generation of Web3 applications development and adoption with the applied usage of zero-knowledge cryptography. Manta Network was created by a team of experienced founders from prestigious institutions including Harvard, MIT, and Algorand. Manta Network has received investments from many top Web3 investment funds including Binance Labs and Polychain Capital. It has grown through participation in the best Web3 accelerators, including Alliance DAO and Berkeley Blockchain Accelerator. Manta Network is poised to bring the next generation of Web3 users and usher in a new chapter of Web3 ZK app applications. So, Manta Pacific Layer 2. It says this one at Manta Pacific offers programmable ZK as an EVM native layer 2. Manta's universal circuits enable easy ZK application development using only Solidity, leveraging Celestia for data availability and the ZK EVM for scalability. Manta Pacific provides high scalability and low transaction fees for ZK applications. So Manta Pacific takes all the work that the Manta team has already built on ZK and applies it directly to scalable EVM environments specifically designed for deploying ZK applications through the help of Celestia and the ZK EVM. So the layer 2, it says here, Manta Network extends ZK SBT features to over 1.5 million Web3 users. And there's different articles here that you could check out. So there's their achievements review, enabling private identity of Manta Network through a suite of new products. And they have BNB chain projects adopt ZK BAB for private identity verification. So you can check all that out. So Manta Atlantic is the fastest and most decentralized ZK Layer 1 supporting modular on-chain compliance identities. It's a suite of core products and technologies including ZK, NFTs, staking and ecosystem projects, and offers user-friendly access to powerful ZK-enabled use cases. So on their document section, you can learn more about Atlantic and Pacific. They have sections here about the whole network, so the network info. They have a section here about universal circuits, how to deploy your app. They have roadmaps for the Manta Pacific. They have Bridge to Manta Pacific and the whole ecosystem section. And then they have basics about the OpenZL, Manta Atlantic Network, the nodes, etc., etc., etc. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you're going to find some different information over there. So on their webpage, they have career section. They have a whole bunch of socials, Medium articles, YouTube channel, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, powered by Celestia, Polygon, OP-Stack, and Polkadot. So those are all their partners there. So far they have $968.87 million total value locked, 11.7 million plus transactions on chain, and 197 ecosystem projects. So if this is running on its own chain, technically it is a coin and not a token. I did say token earlier, but technically this would be a coin. Now at the bottom of the page too, they have deck screener and a whole bunch of other things that you could check out as well. Now let's check out the deck screener chart actually and see how they're doing. So that should be a chart on here. And yeah, so Bitmart, MEXC Global starting tomorrow, and there might even be more. It's not working for some reason, but you should, oh there it is right there. So it shows you what it's pooled with, I believe. No, maybe it's not even on here yet. So when it does go live, I guess, it might not even be live yet, then you'll be able to see it on there, but it's not working right now there. But they do have a deck screener chart you'll be able to click on the bottom of their webpage. So go check this project out. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Manta Network? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.